Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file quarterly income tax returns. Many self-employed individuals, or those with significant income, not subject to withholding, need to pay estimated taxes. We'll cover who needs to pay, the important deadlines to remember, and how to accurately calculate your tax liability. This guide will help you stay compliant and avoid any unexpected penalties. To estimate your tax, you'll use Form 1040 ES, Estimated Tax for Individuals. This form helps you project your income, deductions, and credits for the entire year. Be sure to include all sources of income, like self-employment earnings, interest, and dividends. Accurately estimating helps prevent underpayment penalties, so take your time with this crucial step. Once you've calculated your estimated tax, it's time to make your payments. The easiest way is often online through IRS Direct Pay or the electronic federal tax payment system. You can also mail a check with a payment voucher from Form 1040 ES. Remember, there are 4 quarterly deadlines, typically in April, June, September, and January of the following year. To avoid underpayment penalties, you generally need to pay at least 90% of your current year's tax liability. Another safe harbor is to pay 100% of your prior year's tax liability, or 110% if your adjusted gross income was over $150,000. Staying organized with your records is key. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.